Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace knock sensor 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shocks. Gather basic tools and a replacement sensor that matches OEM specifications. I will walk you through locating the sensor, removing components for access, swapping the sensor, and verifying the repair with a short test drive and scan. Before you begin, confirm the replacement sensor matches your vehicle's part number and inspect connectors for corrosion. Lay out tools in order and pre-program any memory settings you may need to reset after battery disconnection. Use dielectric grease on connector pins to ensure a solid electrical connection and prevent future corrosion. Keep a small container handy for bolts and label hoses or clips removed for easier reassembly at the end. With power off, remove the intake cover and any obstructing parts to access the knock sensor near the engine block. Unplug the electrical connector carefully, then loosen and remove the sensor mounting bolt with a suitable socket and extension. Install the new sensor, applying dielectric grease to the connector, and torque the bolt to the manufacturer's specification. Reconnect everything, reconnect the battery, clear codes with an OBD2 scanner, and take a short test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.